filming you now.
You run with me. I have 10 minutes.
Okay, mag-oras ka ng 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
These are the goons.
Oh, 10 minutes.
These are the goons. Pakita mo yung goons.
Come out at 9:40.
Halika, samahan nyo kami. Go.
Okay.
Loka naman tong batang ito. Okay.
Yeah. No. That's too much.
It's chips here, chips.
No, I don't want to. I don't know. So much.
For 100, it's only candies, Johanna. The 79 is shampoo.
I don't really need anything like this. 70. Hello.
Halo-halo.
Oh my.
Yana, it's 18. Come here.
What?
It's 18 euro. Ay, or 18 pesos. 78 na yun. Okay.
It's now it has 88. So 12 left.
What's
78 na yun eh. 78 na yun eh.
Total. So you
78 plus 18.
What? 12 plus
18.
78, 88, 89, 90, 96. You still have 4 pesos. 4 pesos.
No, 12.
Huh?
It's 78 plus 18. 18. That's 18.
That's 96. Only have 4 pesos.
How much money do I have left?
4 euro. Ay, 4 pesos.
Eh?
Yes.
17 plus 18 is 88.
It's not 70. It's 79. This is 79. 18 plus 79. Yeah.
What is that? I want not. So much cost.
You have to prepare yourself.
How much cost that?
I don't know.
How much cost that?
Magkano to? Magkano to? I don't know.
Ito 9 pesos. Isang digit na mabibili mo dito.
Oh, 9 pesos.
9 pesos. Can I get this?
Yes. That is 18. 9 pesos.
Nasasagad ka na. That's
Okay. Binalik ni Oreo.
So can I get another? What
Isa
is
pa daw
that?
nito.
What is? What is that?
Biscuits. Biscuits.
I don't want that.
Ay, grabe tipid yun. Ayaw.
How much cost that again?
I don't know. You try it. Okay, you tried it. There. You ask.
How much cost that?
Ano? 108?
It's 108 anak.
108.
102.
This one is 14. Look.
How much?
I think it's enough. Take one and that's it.
9.
You asked how much everything. You let him scan it. Okay. Meron siyang 100 challenge eh. Oh, magkano po lahat?
Ano ma'am? 84 po.
84. So you still have
16 pesos.
16 pesos. Then take your 16 pesos.
What should I pay?
16 pesos.
I don't know what. How much cost
16.
that? No, you want to
16, kuha naman ng 16.
16, 1.6.
16 pesos?
Oo.
Yung water.
How much cost
Water daw.
Yung sip na water na 500.
Sip water 500.
500 ml.
I need some.
Meron na. That is...
Kita niya, sir.
What?
Okay. The water there.
What? What's that?
Sip.
Sip water. Ayla. Ayada.
10 pesos.
Hindi, 15. Yung sip na lang, 16 yun. Yung
Sip
wala
nga
kang
daw.
nakita, sir? Yung sip. Ano na ito? Wala doon. Apo, katabi. Wala nito, sir. Katabi lang na itong refresh. Wala dyan?
Okay na yan. Oh, yeah,
Wala
okay na yan.
ito
Oh, Johanna, come here.
99.
Yeah, 1 piso. Okay.
Ano? Thank you. Paper bag pa po.
Opo. Congrats, Johanna.
Is it on time?
Ito na. Thank you.
Yeah, we should have 5 minutes.
Okay, say thank you. You still have 5 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Yes?
I get shampoo.
Yes.
My shampoo is all over.
Yes.
And then I got a lollipop. A mini. And I don't know.
Okay, so how much is it? Let me show.
99
So, for 5 minutes. Tapos lang yan ng 5 minutes. Okay.
Finish your shopping.
Okay. 5 minutes. Yay! Congrats! Congrats! Ay, Axel, congrats! Yay! Congrats! Oh, congrats, hindi natin makakauwi.
We're going to stay here.
Pagkain nyo.